Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Tuner on Security. In this video I'm going to show you how to solve the CTF challenge from picoCTF 2024. The challenge is called Secret of the Polyglot. I've summarized the most important information about the challenge here. The area of the challenge is forensics. The task is to find a flag hidden in a suspicious file of unknown type. You'll find a link to the challenge in the video description below. Let's jump into the challenge. Here we are at the picoCTF homepage, and here we have the challenge. Let's read through the description. The Network Operations Center, NOC, of your local institution picked up a suspicious file. They're getting conflicting information on what type of file it is. They brought you in as an external expert to examine the file. Can you extract all the information from this strange file? And then we have a link to download this. Let's copy the link. And let's head over to the terminal and download the file with wget. The file name is flag202 final.pdf. Let's first try and open it with a regular PDF viewer. And here we have one part of the flag, the final part as it looks. Let's copy that and let's put it in a text file. Let's analyze the file further. So we can use the file command in Linux to do this. And here it says that it's a PNG image file. Let's copy the flag file to the PNG file. And let's see if we can open it here. Let's add this to our text file. I missed an underscore. It's fluent in PNG and PDF. Let's try that one. Yeah, that was correct. And we solved the challenge. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.